yesterday I taught them a 6/8 count dance, and then Misha taught them a cheer. And then today they came back for like an hour and they tried out, and the previous captains were the judges.
And E. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7. Pride and spirit. Unity, bears, let's hear it. Better than before, 'cause we want it more.
After I learned everything on Friday to cheer and dance, I came back to my room and I practiced out in the common room. I looked at the videos because we had videos sent to us with the cheer and dance, and I practiced for a good hour. And then the following morning before tryouts, I woke up pretty early and tried to practice again just so I knew I had it and wouldn't forget anything. During the actual tryouts, I was really nervous at first, but I relaxed a little after a while, made a few mistakes, but it happened, so I actually had a fun time. Overall, I think I did pretty well. I'm pretty confident with cheering since I did it for such a long time, and I know I made mistakes, but overall, I think it ended really well. Let's go UC! Come on, Bears!